Now, when drying your car after washing with the drying towel, you cannot get all the nooks and crannies that holds a lot of water, like inside your mirrors or your window seals, door handles, gas caps, even your wheels, your grill. Adams Polish's mini air cannon is a forced air blower that essentially blows all the air out of those nooks and crannies, drying your car to 100%. Now, what happens if you don't blow the water out of all those nooks and crannies? Well, you get a chalky line on your paint under your mirror, your gas cap, or in your grill. Now, what's the difference between using the Adams Polish's mini air cannon versus a leaf blower? A leaf blower has a huge open end at which the air blows out of. So yes, you get a lot of volume of air, but it's not focused. The mini air cannon has a nice focused tip here, whether it's the rounded tip or the flat tip. Another aspect to this is it has filtered and heated air. The air in your atmosphere has dust particles, dirt flying around. When it sucks the air into the unit and pushes it out, it's gonna be clean air. Now, if you have a ceramic coated vehicle, you can use this to dry your car after washing it and the water will come flying off. Adams Polish's mini air cannon is going to be the best handheld solution for you.